Welcome back to Hello Hi. Oh my God, today we're cooking honey lemon pepper wings. Oh my God, do you see how good these wings look? Mmm, it tastes so good. So let's get started. So for this recipe, I definitely use canna honey and I use canna butter for the sauce. If you only want lemon pepper wings, you can definitely not use the canna honey and only infuse butter and get a lemon pepper sauce without the honey. If you follow the directions below, each wing should come out to about 10 to 15 milligrams per wing. Not enough to get you wasted, but enough to have at least 5 or 6 wings and be good. To season the chicken, you need 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper. Add your seasoning to the chicken and make sure you coat all the pieces evenly. In a medium bowl, whisk together 4 eggs and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. Yes, we're using more lemon pepper. Trust me, you'll need it all. Add this to a separate mixing bowl to coat the chicken. One chicken wing at a time, use the tongs and add it to the egg mixture, coating the chicken and allowing the excess to drip back in the bowl. Coat each piece of chicken with flour and transfer to a cookie sheet or a rack to set.